is a Hyundai Sonata, and it's not moving forward. Get it here. There's a C. What year is it? There's no forward movement.
No.
Okay, go reverse. Stop. Go. See the wheel jumping? Go ahead.
This side ain't doing it. You got a new caliper on this side.
Go back and stop it. Go back. That wheel is just jumping. Do that again. Alright, let's see what happened here. Okay, go ahead. You can. Something is broken inside this thing. We're gonna have to push this thing. What year is this? This is hold on. Hold on, Billy. This is a 07, another 07. Just like that one, but this is 6-cylinder one.
You gotta back up and we gotta push it forward.
Okay, Hyundai Sonata. We're gonna check to see what's going on with this thing. Did you take anything loose?
No.
Oh, look here, y'all. You see that the mass airflow sensor is off on here. Why is that? There it is hanging down there. Somebody took the mass airflow sensor off.
Oh.
So let's see why this is. I don't know why this is off. This is very important. So.
Battery straight thing in the back. Get your battery sets in.
And this is loose.
Let's go this way. That's all this.
The bolts are all missing.
Oh boy, I tell you, stuff we get. Okay.
3 or 4 times seen lumps or something. Yeah. No, might not be.
Just the oil.
Not quite sure. Look at the magnet.
Okay, this magnet has a lot of metal on here. Okay, this oil is pretty filthy.
There's a metal. Or foam.
That was full.
There's some aluminum coming out now.
Definitely got a problem in there somewhere because the forward is gone. Hold this here. What's causing that to jump forward though? Maybe it's inside the transmission. Could be the bearing is messed up. No, because the axle can give. Still nothing you see, huh? Okay, well, we know that it has no forward gear. Okay. Tony is
Oh, here
checking.
it is.
What you see?
The lower control arm shot. This shouldn't be there. This should be.
Let me see what you're doing.
This should be all the way up there.
Okay.
The whole bushing come out of the lower control arm.
Let me look at it.
There's a better.
Your hand in the way.
Okay, hold
Let
on.
me get your.
What's going to hold this out of the way?
Oh yeah, look at it.
The bushing come all the way out of the lower control arm.
All right, so let's look at the other one on the other side. Yep.
It's good.
That's how. Let's get a good.
It still needs another one.
Hold on, let me get a good.
The bolts should be
Here,
done.
lift that back up, that little flap.
It should both be done.
Man, hold on, I can't even get. Okay, there it is. Okay. Yep, that's the way it's supposed to look. Let's go on the other side. Get back over here where you showed it. Oh yeah. Sticking way up. That's what making going forward. All right, so we got that and a bad transmission.